Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day. Well, blessed love. Welcome guys, welcome. So today is the day that we're gonna make some hot dogs and give the kids them some ice cream, so we have to give thanks to the Kiwanis, from East Pines, Miramar, we thank them so much, for this givings for the kids them, so they will feel good having some ice cream and also some hot dog. I would thank them so much, Kiwan is from East Pines, Miramar, we thank you so much for blessing the kids them for this day, they're gonna love it, so we're just gonna get ourselves fit here, get the stove light up, get the franks them on, which is the sachets, the ice cream is here and everything, and give them some juice also, so we're just gonna prepare now and get ready for when time they're ready to come out marching out, so we give thanks and blessed love to the Kiwanis from East Pines, Miramar. But thank you so much for all of your blessings. God bless you, drinking one thing, and it's the only bless you. Yeah, put them in everything and wash them out too. That was my too, yeah. Breads. Yeah, man, so we have to give thanks to the Kiwanis. So here we have to scale and time, prep it up, put it inside a pot where we're gonna boil this, the franks, them sachets. And you have to put the scale and time inside the pot, with your pimento and your pepper to boil the franks, give it that flavor. So when I'm having that, it's all flavorful. I've got some juice as well for the kids them. Cases of juice. Esther go and prepare the sauce. Then I go the sauce for everything. Make it saucy. We have Rasta Jacks out here. Yeah. Rasta Jacks up on the base. Yeah. Give him some hot dog and ice cream, you know?
Ice cream, you know?
30 grand.
Yeah, man.
There upon the ground, man, Kino, man.
One team,
One Kino life in Jamaica, you know. You see me, I say, and this is Trench Town in the evening, you know. Eastern, you know, have a little treat for the kids, them. Yeah, give them a little ice cream, them little hot dog, and make them have fun. You see me, I say, yeah, man. And it's a wonderful feeling, man. You see me, I say, yeah, man, so I want to big up all of the people, them all over the world, you know. Yeah, all over. We can make the thing possible every time.
Team.
Say, one team. Yeah, man, I love it, man. Man, I respect every time, man.
One team.
That is it.
Yeah, we have one Chelsea blue, you
One
know?
blue, you know. So we're going to tidy and come back and look good, you know. Yeah, man, because I say.
Yeah.
Just I go and hold it out right now, because I'm there for morning. Brush up the place and I go and look up at them. You see me, I say?
Yeah.
Put in the work from early out to make it come back and see the ground. You see me, I say? Enough blessing, one love, you know, so.
Kiwanis.
It's at 5 o'clock now, so we're ready for the kids, them, you know. Kiwanis, holy for blessing, enough love. Like the thing where you put, where I do for you. You see me, I say? Holy for ice cream for the kids, them. Hot dog for the kids, them. Who I can't even talk them out, because we the thing them enough. You see me, I say? Holy for blessing, enough love, man. You see me, I say? Yeah, man. What's your name?
Kiwani.
Kiwana, big up yourself now. Holy for blessing, yeah. Enough love in your Kiwana.
Well, Rasta Jackson. See them united we stand, divided we fall. So that's why we here, we unite. Ain't no dividing because a fall, never go fall. Colors!
I tell them for a long time, we have to tell them.
No.
Palm tweed. Big red, no? One charge. I have a big car, what do you know, a big 4-wheel bike. We have boom here, Rasta Messi.
Listen, one love.
Sleep the same way.
Yeah, I mean, I take up click, I'm finish clean out the place to the come, man. Somebody ever there, wrong. Somebody, yeah. Bless you.
Wouldn't go on the road, you know. Come put your call for the money you want now. See that?
Them know I always want a husband long time. Them know that. The people them know that.
Call for the money you want now.
One put you want a husband. Alright?
So you don't have none yet?
No.
All of these years?
All the years I can't find my husband yet. And my face pretty, my personality pretty, everything about me pretty. And I can't find a husband. Alright?
Yeah, good.
We need one man. We need to stop sit down and pan can and one in a house and all that man. I cook my man dinner and I wash my man clothes, clean the house and my husband come from work and them look something. Them look life the way I talk boy I know man. Change a life. I should have want to speak loud enough.
Yeah. In a Ghana way. One colors.
Yeah, man.
Extended
family.
All of the colors. Shut talk.
Put it on it, but no one would have to do that.
So you want me to keep it in and talk?
Yeah, of course.
Okay.
You have to have it in.
Yes, my extended family, man. Happy Easter to you all, you know. Yeah, and I'm so glad for this earpiece here, you know. Yes, because honestly, I wasn't hearing so well, you know.
Yeah.
More while me there at the airport and people came off the flight and they were saying, hey, Colors, what's up? And I ain't hearing nothing.
And all of them still
You know what I'm saying? So I was
I'm
heading to the airport and when Kino looked, he didn't see it in my hair. So he was saying, Colors, why didn't you put it in your hair to go to the airport, bro? Because he was calling me, you know, and I didn't hear a thing. So now I'm having tea and I'm hearing loud. I can't hear all the music they playing over there.
So you never hear the music before?
Wasn't so loud, but it's very loud now. Yes, and me myself sound very loud.
Someone say must stop.
Yeah,
say that ear now. The ear she said?
Me hear she say something like if me I hear her, something like so. Yeah, I tell you something I hear her. Now, you know, as I put it in, I'm come at the step.
Happy
hear the music. Yeah.
So you got airport now, right?
So you love the Lelo and Black here.
Yeah man, the Lelo and Black.
You can watch it on YouTube sometimes.
No, not yet. Big up who you are, big up.
Jaja, 5
match today.
Who again?
4.
What's your name again? Clevy.
I ain't gonna change the models yet.
All I'm a long time friend them for the single Wednesday. Happy Easter everybody.
So you have to tell them, so you want to single Wednesday?
Yeah, I would want you to keep back single Wednesday of course. But I don't want to bag up rare people on the show. Only way I don't want you to put back the show, you know, unless the bagger not go dip on it. Everybody go and just dip on it for appreciate. You understand? No bagger and a rare.
You know,
Yeah. But
Yeah.
when I really want the show to come back, I'm not telling a
and I
lie.
win 4.
Yeah.
People from all
Because we
London,
find some real people in the world
and they were
and some loving and caring people. You understand?
Yeah.
So, but I really want back the show.
So you're still single and ready to
I'm
mingle?
still single, same way and I wait back on the show. And the people them with no bagger. They can push on back the thing. Because I'm not telling you, I know I need appreciate the show. And the people them want meet on the show. Yeah. Alright, now I know say if I never that me that have to find a look night, you know?
Yeah.
Husband for the show and them something.
Yeah, so if it's expire, you want to
Expire. I'm not telling them I appreciate it and the show my boss. Yeah, the show bring a lot to it, man.
So what go on for the future, no?
If I even next year just come back with it again.
Next year they're too far. Maybe we try look for the summer.
Or the December, yeah. Give me a look one.
So
Everybody deserve a second chance. Give me a second chance, man, I see.
What kind of second chance she's talking about?
If the second chance are the same, I can't say alright then, low with them. But everybody deserve a second chance.
yeah, I'm saying with life, everyone deserves a second
Yeah, we
chance.
can get a second chance, man.
You see?
And life look back the dream team corner.
So let's see what we're gonna see what them say in the comment section.
Yeah.
We'll see what they say in the comment section. Should we give them back a second chance
So
for
give
the
me a
single
second
Wednesday?
chance, man.
No,
They will
Jaja,
nice
she
up
gonna
at
say
the
yeah.
place. Jaja always want to see we. Auntie Jaja.
Jaja got always say yes.
One Jaja.
So now Jaja vote only so far.
I know Cleveland 5 of them ever want to see we too. The original people. Yeah.
And the small ads.
Yeah.
We'll get the majority.
So, I want the people them to keep in mind and try to communicate again and say, yeah, but the authority and make you go ahead.
Single Wednesday.
Anything what the comments say we are work.
Alright.
Work for the day one then.
Yeah.
Alright, I'm so I'll go on there.
Any corruption, me personally put them on fire shop. They know me already. Because we don't want that panic. Yeah.
Hey, so you are the security for
Me
sure.
are the security for sure. Take them off. I always tell that. Take them off. Because love and unity. Yeah.
Alright then, that's the voice of Gucci and Rashida. That's a single Wednesday. You know, them single and them ready to mingle. So, let's see what I go on for the future now. Let's see what. Skylar!
Yes,
Happy birthday.
thank you.
Happy birthday. Auntie Elsa sent $50 for your birthday right here for you. This is from Auntie Elsa.
Thank you.
So you can,
Thank you, Auntie Elsa.
and it was her birthday.
And happy belated birthday, Auntie Elsa.
Alright then. And happy birthday. Yes, and happy birthday to you also. Okay? Alright then, take care.
Yes.
Mama,
Come on, Tyrone. Mama, take one. Mama, take it. I pray. Come for one. Come, Kim Dion. I'm afraid of police. Take it out. So we take it down. Yeah, those police.
From the team.
Yeah.
Hard surface pan and soft surface.
How much left? Did I get?
The man with the tiny. Joke on that tiny.
What? What happened in your hand? Oh, you get two. Give me one. Give me back one. Which cousin? Come here. Where?
Flame never get none.
The flame there.
When I'm here.
Who else not get?
Where are you?
Everybody get? You get? Come. Skylar, you get already. No, stop it. To get money already. Give me back that one then.
No, flame zone.
What flames there? Give me keep it. Give me keep it for you.
No,
Give me keep it.
no, keep it like that. No, believe me.
Eh? When you come on the side, when I get ice cream and hot dog now, when you come on the other side. When you come over, when you come over this side, come. Come on the side off over here. You go over this side. Come. No bounce about now, put out.
I know how you like to just
You get already?
You don't get none.
We are still live.
Oh, you don't get none. Oh, you just come here, man. You want to squeeze in here. You just squeeze in there. I'm squeezing. I saw them go, man. Oh, you don't get it.
Dreamy and ever.
Oh, yeah, but each in your ever.
Yeah. Let me come. No, I'm under the road. I'm stay on the sidewalk. I'm stay around. No, I'm going to stop that way then. I'm going on the road. Thank you, dog. Look up on the sidewalk, go up on the sidewalk, the Jeep park. Go up on the sidewalk, on the sidewalk. Look up on the sidewalk, go up on the sidewalk. Look up on the sidewalk, on the sidewalk. Mayo. More blood tester? Bring two of them.
Listen. Oh.
One of those. No, I'm done.
Small kids them over there. Small kids them over there. Come over here. One over there. Big boy them over there. No.
Eat your candy. You know, call him name, you say, RJ. I say, RJ. You want to understand the patois. You say, hey, RJ. Oh, yeah. Take it up, sir.
Yes.
You want some of the soup and put them in now?
Catch up.
RJ, I'm gonna line for ice cream and stuff.
Put it behind me, behind the boy. Behind me.
Move the seat and move the seat.
Thank you.
Yeah, give them same time.
Yeah, juices. Yeah.
Come here. Eva.
Sweetie. Thank you.
Catch up the funny.
Yeah.
No, I don't want to see that one. Too much ketchup party. The little one thing. They know they're stealing.
They've got to take that from the bicycle.
I look for a boy from Antonio.
The big one and gone in front for a little bit with them. RJ, sometimes
Come on, see the phone them line.
You want ketchup party?
So I give them that dog for it.
The soap from here.
yeah,
Let's
one
see it,
line.
Jeez.
Come on.
Yeah, something else. Yeah. I have to eye that for him. Alright guys, so Winston! Everything up. Everything up. Winston himself, you know, back on the ground. Yeah. The Rasta Jack still there, you say I go like say I'm alone with the dancer. Guys, so we have Winston back in the place, all the way from Canada. You know, we say Pablo there up on the ground again before him.
Right.
Problem there again before you, Pablo.
Oliver and Carla, big up.
Yes.
German soldier, big up.
Everybody.
Raccoon family, go on hold tight, you know. And all of the nurses down in Miami.
Oh, the nurses them checking. It's charming and the whole family them checking.
My wife said to check with a condolence. No, tired. Yeah, come here.
Oh, yeah, your family see me.
Now, some of my schoolmates them.
Okay.
My wife can't go in the country and she come back and she tired.
Oh. Yeah, we there go and look out for the kids them, you know. Everything, you know. Give them something for go and pep up them stomach. Try to go and wake up. Away drink. Away drink. Rasta Jackson. Where drink?
Some Campari and you know.
Make you want to sleep, man.
Yeah, man, really want to sleep with you, man, because you are 3 o'clock this man, come from a local session, you know?
Yeah.
So kind of really want to sleep with you, man. Over the day I go and dance the thing with the kids them same way, you know?
Yeah,
man, it's a good look, man. Yeah, man, Kino, man, big up yourself every time, man. Without you, and you donate, you donate, then this could be possible. So we have to big up the thing and big up the whole extended family every
look like
time.
him wake up now, you know.
Yeah, man, we have to wake up, man, once on the video up, you know. We have to up, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, man.
Wake up.
Man, more vibes and more love every time, man. Active, man. You see me, I say? Well active, man. Okay, man. Like the vibes, man, you know? Yeah, man.
United stand.
Every time we sing it, man.
Stand. Yeah, man. Divided we stand. Yeah, man. So we have to unite and stand strong, man. You see me, I say?
Just strong, you know. Until you can feel strong, so when you talk about, them stand up strong.
Man, Rasta Jackson. We know the strong when we are talking about in Rasta Jackson.
Love.
Yes, right. Without the love, you know, brother.
And the LLV, you love the strict, real art.
Yeah. Look now, how draw that art there.
No, John.
See the art there? The way they draw art.
Yes, man.
Someone was drawing the art.
Art and love.
Art and love.
I have to big up everyone. Say all the extended family,
Them gone on the road.
all the extended family, a long time because Kino know a lot of them when we are gone there, I don't know what they are long time, go to the same here.
Yeah.
Family, man.
Long time I tell them, say, no, mother time running in and look for
Yeah.
I was still there, Kenta, so big up all the extended family, make this possible, and things going, everything bright and pretty.
Kiwanis.
Kiwanis, huh?
Yeah.
You know, name the boy, I tell you, that special name, that something of them, hey, something of them, big up on the same time, we love it every time, man.
Of course.
We love Rastafari.
Every time.
Every time more life, we say, you know.
Yes, more love.
Yeah, life over there.
So, yeah, man, so we give,
right,
so we give thanks to the Kiwanis from East Pines, Miramar, you know, Florida. Thank you, you know, for the kids and all that time. You know, have something for the liquor holiday. Next group? Sunrise team.
Sunrise,
yeah, the Sunrise.
Yes, Simon. We want to remember everybody, you know. We want to remember everybody. We don't want to leave out nobody, man.
Sunrise team.
We know something like this, you know.
Yeah.
We can't remember. Some other people big up right now. It's a whole heap. But everybody. Rastafari, I love you every time. You know, I was still there. Give thanks and praise to life every time.
Yes.
Young family. Yeah, Kino. You make the family, you know. I be a love grass for a long time, you know.
Yeah, man. So big up the nurses, them and the Sunrise team, you know.
I don't want to tell you, say big no car. A long time we don't give them a big up, you know.
Yeah, man, Mr. Charmaine and the whole team, you know, the nurses.
The Sunrise, they try to do this. That's how the bright and pretty the Sunrise, you know.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
Is it the rise with ease?
Yeah, man. I got more love to say, you know.
Of course.
More
love and more strength.
Wonderful work, man. Wonderful work. We love
you. See the kids them is out, you know, enjoy themselves. So it's that day we're giving back some hot dogs. Baby, where's my friend? Oh, you make you go and sleep. Can't believe my friend go and sleep, Beefy. And calling tell us to catch up.
I did catch up by here, but you should not want to cook. She was sleep.
No. They make my friend go and sleep. Up on our tree, she get that?
I tell the man. I'm going to tell him. I eat most of it.
Classic. Where's Cheers? Them down on the road? Oh, I see. Them down, they're gonna make a bounce. So you never go? Oh. Apple feed.
Yeah, no, catch up. So the morning on there. I eat pork. Sweet man, the black one. You're not going to get.
Yes, Pepper? To your sister, okay, Esther, do your sister as well, to your sister. Do one for your sister.
So I'm ready with me.
I can't believe it, my friend gonna sleep. That's not good. I'm a send come call her from early. Yes. Until I come back and call him, come and say, yo, catch up her ear in her one, don't plait it up. So them time that when she tell her she was sleeping?
Yeah, she has to sleep. I mean, like, she already got to sleep.
One for her sister.
Her sister.
Should I wait? She would go sleep. She would go sleep. We'll have to collect her hot dog for her same way and put it down. One Winston in the place. How far back to the play over there, son? Oh. How far back? God, no. So we give thanks to the Kiwanis, you know, from East Pines. You know, we thank them so much, you know, for this day. Big up to the Sunrise team. I love, big up yourself. You know, Corey Aids, everything goes. Big up to all the excellent family over there. See them here, go and looking in. While they are going to put out the work, see them where, you know, all of big up yourself, you know. Big up on yourself, big up on yourself, big up on yourself. Ice cream time, ice cream. Eh? Come try it out. Ice cream time. That was ice cream. Is it a cup or a cone? A cup and cone. Which one? Eh? Alright. Beso no, beso no. Take a song. Take a tongue.
You know why I picked them back?
Take it. Nice. Eh?
But ice cream tonight.
Yeah. Esther, let's go up on the step. How much you want?
Don't fight it.
Hey, listen, everyone gonna get ice cream. Yeah, no need for pushing, no need for fight. Everyone gonna get.
Ice cream.
Mama. We give the hot dog first and then we give ice cream after. You know, so we could get them everything one time. So now they're receiving them ice cream. Leila. Esa. Elena. Eh? Yeah. Come out the road, come out the road, come out the road. One general in other players. It bounced, the one to make it bounce, that's why. Listen now. The one when I get bounced, so I can't get the one there. So I want the one where you have can't give me. I want the one where you have can't work. Why? You don't want it because it's not going to work. You know, so might as well try it yourself one. Good though. They are going to give the kids them ice cream and hot dogs, you know. Yeah. Every time, you know. Big up the whole of England, no, man.
Yeah, of course. You don't know our town.
Push I them all are watching, you know.
Yeah,
know the thing.
To my whole crew, man.
Yes.
Don't know the thing.
Yeah.
Big up all the man in London, Birmingham, all over England.
All over.
So see we face too, you know. You know?
Yes.
So the thing, man.
That is it. It's cool, man. Bob Marley plays one love, you know. Every time. Take your time, go through. Esther, Ile. Alena, come on.
You get tree. You get no.
Say hello, say hello, hello. Shy? Shy? Where you from, madam? Everybody, madam. Where your mother? Oh? Where with girl? From Second Street? Oh. What's that?
You pay ransom, you pay hospital bill, you pay emotional damage.
No, too much. Baby, where mother? That's her. Red girl, right us up. Oh. Yeah. Baby sister.
I feel our sister.
Baby sister.
Oh, you have baby sister?
Yeah.
Okay. Everybody now look for that. No, you know who me and mix her up with? You don't want to say hi to her. Where the police guy.
Oh, Pebbles.
Pebbles.
She the OTS a while ago. She the OTS a while ago. How was she then? Who was the OTS a while ago? Pebbles. Come on, tell everyone. RJ. Come on, sir. Let me say tall pay in the building. One tall pay.
One genius, you know.
You know? Tall pay blinging. You know? Tag fan jeans and lighter flashing. Dream team still hanging.
And the arm now standing.
You know, and the all of what? You see the all of socks. Look at the all of socks. Judge, yeah.
He's no man jokes now. I'm here man jokes now.
You don't want to see the socks, man.
That's the all of socks, you know.
You get same things jokes now.
Did you get socks too, Chunks? Did you get socks too?
Yeah, we get a couple socks too, man.
The all of socks?
Yeah, man. What one we get? One of the all of one.
Oh, but lucky you know. I want a bad still top in my life. You're all of. All of socks. Bad. Boom, did you get all of socks too? Boom, never get none. All of socks. Bad. Just giving us some ice cream and hot dog for the kids them, you know. Kiwan is, you know, the Kiwan is them, the big up the Kiwan is.
Kiwan is world for love, you know, world for respect, as well as can say.
Yeah.
You make the kids them excited, you know.
Yeah.
Make the kids them excited.
Them happy, you know.
One team, worship, let's say four heart.
Four heart, yeah.
Yeah, man, one love, sweet.
Yes, yeah. So we give thanks to the Kiwan is from East Pines, Miramar, you know. Guys, so you know, we give thanks. So you know, time is running off now. You know, everyone get them ice cream and them hot dog already. You know, everyone get them ice cream hot dogs. So I want to say a huge thanks, you know, to the Kiwanis. We thank them so much, you know, for blessing each and every one of these kids. You know, them thank you so much also. You know, for them. So you don't know, I have to give a huge thanks to Baby. I have to give a huge thanks to Baby. You know, the thing goes already one dream team. She can't talk because the teeth gone clean. You know, and she's a clean team. And we have Carly, you know, huge thanks, you know, giving us assistance, helping out.
Yeah.
You know,
bless.
And that's Prefect sister.
Okay.
And we have Beefy over here as well too. You know, my best friend mother. You know, so give thanks as well too. You must know Vagan somewhere. You know, we have no other than Esther Campbell. You know, they're here on the corner giving us our help as usual. And we give thanks, you know what I'm saying? It's a blessing to the Kiwanis to make all this possible. You know, chip it off, get our ice cream and gone down now.
Yes, and the bread burst off.
Yes, the hot dog.
Hot dog, really nice.
Yes. Yeah, man, so we give thanks to the Kiwanis. We thank them so much. You know, we thank them so much for doing it. You know, we and the Kiwanis, them doing it from the Sunrise team Kiwanis to the East Pines, Miramar Kiwanis, to the whole Jamaican Kiwanis, them we are doing it together. You know, one team, you know, Sunrise team is a dream team of the one team. And to all our extended family, is nothing but love and love alone. So, blessed love to all, dream team, one team. You know, it's the only real team. Well. Good night. So, you know, it's night market night. You know, it's night market, you know, after the kids' street. You know, so it's time to go to the night market. It's blessed love, guys. So, good night anywhere you are. Welcome. So, you know what? I'm here to see Yaya. Because I meant to get some more stuff from him, you know, because my stuff run out, especially the thing that I use on my skin. You know, that also run right out as well too, so I need to go get some of that also. You know, so guys, remember, put the thumb, if you reach this far, you're not watching, remember to put the thumbs up. You know, we thank you so much for your love and your support. Blessed love. So as usual, I never get a close parking, never from I get here, so I have to park up the road, but I will change that narrative one night. So I'm literally walking down towards the night market where I'm all the way up. So where you see the bright light is, that's where it is. So I'm literally walking from so far to get where it is. So let's hit you up when I reach in there. General.
Been good?
All the time, you know, good times. The circle back here, I'm coming for a wrap. What we have here tonight?
Yeah, man, we have some ackee chickpea pasta,
some garlic mushroom, pumpkin brown rice. Yeah, we have some tofu, chickpea, some curry lentil as well, you know.
Everything is good for the brain and some fried plantain over here and the vegetable as usual.
Sweet potato casserole, you know.
What do you call this one?
Sweet potato casserole.
Casserole.
Sweet potato, you know.
Yeah, you need to have your restaurant, you know. Nah, like with them talent there.
Yeah, man, if you raise the man, you know.
Yeah.
Spinach wrap, natural juice.
So that green spinach wrap tonight, right?
I mean, I'm thinking too.
For sure.
Tamarind and ginger, you know.
You wanna want that thinking too, for sure.
It's a dumplum and ginger. This guava and apple. Yeah. Now we have a pineapple mango with ginger. Powerful, you know.
Alright.
Yeah, man.
So I'm ready. I'm gonna try the wrap again tonight, you know?
Yeah.
I'm gonna try the wrap. Last week rain out.
Yeah.
Beer rain.
Beer rain and you still forward to
yeah. Same way, you know? Same way. Nah, man.
You want to go nowhere? Rain or shine, nah, left you out.
Yeah, so what them about the ital where it's vital, you know?
That is it.
So I'm gonna check the area and come forward, yeah? Alright then. Fool's gold.
Fool's gold. That's right. We have more stones on if you love stones. 22 more weeks. Next week and the week after. To November. So if you need any, we have some.
Yeah?
Yeah. Hunts, new stones, new
yeah.
vibes. You know? It's cute, right? See, remember I told you about the ear? Yeah, that's why I showed you the big one. That's why I did. Okay, yeah, she does have the bigger loop thing. See if I can think of any more like
that. I noticed you have your strainer here for your strudel mic.
Yeah, man.
Music, your strainer.
Music and food, we deal with it.
Yes, that is right. The rhythm, music and food.
You understand?
So you say you're an artist yourself?
Me? Yeah, everything, man. That's why I tell them, so look in my recipe book. All them a look. Them yeah get look. Them want it me flavor. But grab a belcher the savior.
Yeah.
Look. Them a look in my recipe book. If you want belt, just take cover belcher the Kingston Night Market, you see?
Yes.
Look in my recipe book.
Yeah. Yeah, guys, look. Looking at the recipe book. Grab a belch. You know, for you grab something you have to bet. Yeah, good.
Good.
Alright. So you say you have song where you record anything we have out there?
Yeah, man, I have an album out there, man.
Yeah?
Yeah, man.
Big things are going there, man.
Yeah, man, long time in business, but COVID, you go up and find a different part of the, you know, energy, you see me?
You know, you have to look at the younger cockatoo.
Cockatoo?
Yeah, look at the younger one.
You think you don't say sorority and everything, you see? But that's why I got to
the younger version of cockatoo. Yeah.
Love me now. Ooh, she love me.
Ah, you see there?
I will sing, man.
Yeah, them related?
No, really, you know. Not by, you know, but ancestor.
Ancestor, yes.
Them way, you understand?
Yes.
All of we related, you see me? That's how it go.
Yeah, man, we related for true.
Majesty.
I can see. So maybe I will carry on him. Cockatoo, legacy, what you say?
Why? I don't say no, but I have a job to do in the music, and I'm willing and I'm able.
Yeah.
Yes, I.
So give me one of your songs, let the world hear it then.
One of my songs, well, see the song I from off of my album named Dancing Shoes. And through 420, the boats in the atmosphere same way.
Yeah.
Then we say, we love the marijuana. Just now go leave it alone. One must left in a me job. We love the sensei, me, now go leave it alone. One more spliff in a major. I saw me tell them kush. Me looking through my window, smoking my hindo. It's been a long time, I'm feeling real fine. Hey Babylon, you cannot stop this time. Kushites can't touch them off the climb. So we tell them, so we light it. Rasta down and 90 it, and make the chalice and the cup and make me blaze it. Tell them say them can't stop this. My choose me bun cannabis. Oh, we love the marijuana. Yeah man, and that off my album Dancing Shoes.
Yeah.
Yeah man.
So what the artist name?
Well, I'm Elijah, but we do creation in life, you know?
Yeah.
So I'm Machuja. Machuja the thing there right now, you understand?
Okay.
So love and light.
So when them can go stream, you just type in Machuja.
Yeah, they can find Machuja sing song on Instagram. And with the juice business now it's grab a belch all natural, listen me?
Okay.
Yeah man, straight.
So give me the spelling of this artist name.
Alright, M-A-T-R-U-J-A-H. M-A-T-R-U-J-A-H. Machuja.
So them can go and check it.
Check it.
Grab a pelch. Talented man.
Yes sir.
Have the sound, you know?
That's right, you know?
Cocotte.
Look in my recipe book. No for them look. Yeah, some of them I get no. Them want it me recipe, but grab a belch. I mean, I the savior.
She's right. You go up yourself, grab a belch. That's where it goes already. Dum. Greetings. Alright guys, you know it goes at the night market when the night is right, so you know I'm gonna check out which is around the corner, supposed to be. Oh, I'm there, it's here. Hello, yo, yeah. Manas. Empress.
Hey, how you doing, Kino?
Blessed love. 7. Yeah, go and chill.
What's the company?
Yes.
What's the company you're going to sell?
Come for the recipes. So we'll see them more.
Machine is ready, right?
Dark chocolate. And the lion.
Why you zoom in on this, you know? Blood purifier, I know you don't touch it yet, you know?
No.
Bitters. Blood love
Listen, I can
bitters.
tell you, it's one of the things that
Blood love bitters, right?
Yes,
I never had to sell it. I was just so happy. Everybody was like,
So this is the purifier.
It's a purifier, clean the blood. And that also clean the blood and give you back iron too.
Yeah, get back iron, right?
While clean the blood, it's building back the blood cells.
Yeah.
A lot of people are anemic.
Yeah.
Not low protein, but low iron. Need iron. Black people need iron.
Definitely need iron.
this is nice. Can I borrow it? I have it.
We need the iron.
Iron is beneficial.
So clean the blood cells, boost red blood cells, increase energy and oxygen.
I can't. There's so much apple here.
So we take this one.
Like that one first thing in the morning. Toast anywhere from 1 to 2 ounces on an empty stomach. Best time to take it.
clean the blood.
Yeah, man, you have to clean the blood. Remember now, you know, everything is in, anything in your body, it travels through the blood.
You see, like, so that's our soap. So we have a tamarind soap, it's in a soap bag, so you don't have to use a washcloth, you can use a soap saver. And with the soap base, you get that in the package. Is it debit or credit you're using? Debit card.
Still tonic wine. Heartbeat better.
Yeah, man. Remember said heart attack is the world #1.
Yeah.
You have to make sure so the heart is irate.
Heart.
Constantly work. Constantly from your body, you know, that work.
Yeah. Is it Guinea?
That's a Guinea.
I've been waiting for this.
Finally get the Guinea.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. And that Guinea, I tell you, that Guinea is awesome. Because it has some
Oh, you add something to this?
Yeah, with a little blend of African mint in it.
Oh.
And some pear leaf extract.
Inside of this?
Inside, you know, because we love to blend. It's a chemistry in herbs.
Yes.
Man, and that's another tree right there, another trinity.
The Guinea seed extract, guys. So tell them what the Guinea seed extract do.
Well, the Guinea seed extract, it's designed to make sure your mood is up, like serotonin, melatonin. You know, because a lot of people are stressed out, and when you can't sleep again, it's because we don't have enough of those chemicals. And melatonin can mellow out.
Okay.
Yeah, man, and serotonin again. Up feeling, you feel
get an upbeat,
man,
make you
up.
Yes.
See, so during the day you got some serotonin at work because you feel good, you know, cuss out nobody. See? And in the night the melatonin mellow you out, make you rest. Sleep. So, and when you check it out now, with those two chemicals being balanced, the pressure
go down.
Yeah, man, man. And give me a blood sugar mellow itself out too. Automatically. So, yeah, man.
So what, you
and I'll tell you again, with the balance with the African mint, it does enhance all that. See, the reproductive organ.
That's what he does.
Great. It both in male and female. So again, if a female having cysts,
yes,
she having any fibroids,
anything
happening there, even breast issues.
Yeah,
man.
That's my brand, you know, my brand.
It's the 2 months them, man. We deal with the 2 months them. Antiviral.
So this go well with the Trinity.
Yes, man. The Trinity, it complements the Trinity, bro.
More.
And you know what it complements? The stone crusher.
Yeah.
Yes, bro. Because remember now the stones them again. The stones them are reaping around. They're rampant because the kidney stone, the gallstone, you have to work, black stone. A lot of people, because of what they eating, they having a lot of stone issue. And as I said, we spoke about this. Kidney health, very important. And I was telling you, I don't know if I tell you, but
what he will like right here.
What's happening is
acts like a little bit fused.
a lot of people walking around with a lot of pieces in them.
Yeah, because you was telling me. So much
where sometimes they feel that this inflammation is back pain, but it's just too much feces, so it's compressing against the spine.
So they might think they might feel back pain, but it's not back pain.
No, it's just overweight from feces, from waste. Can you imagine, brethren? People walking around with a lot of weight, especially sometimes you wake up in the morning and come out of bed and you feel like, hey, I'm in pain.
Yes.
It's actually waste. Too much waste. And when you go to sleep and wake up, of course, everything's gonna come down, but constipation. Again, the Guinea pig shop is good for that. Constipation. A lot of people is blocked up, bro. That's why you see we stress about eating so much. A lot of people. blocked up.
Yes.
So I want them free up themselves.
Yes,
And
true.
they have to free up themselves.
After free up,
And when them free up themselves, then
feel much better, you know.
Yeah, and then they can deal with everyone around them more better. A lot of people black up, you know, that's why them
moody, ignorant.
Hunger, we don't want that. So we want them to free up themselves so they can deal with I and I.
Yeah.
More love, more smile.
More smiles.
Yeah, because people get comfortable with pain, you know.
True.
People get, I'm telling you, people accept pain as a norm, and that is sad.
No, I believe you. Because I feel like, say, yo, it is natural for them to like.
Their body get comfortable. I mean, yeah, they feel it, you know, but their body actually accept it and they comfortable with pain.
Yes.
That's not life. That is not life, Kilo. See, not the normal. So that's why we want people to just clean out them systems, detox, and then we have issues to make sure the joints and the sinews and the tissues them rebuild it, because they can rejuvenate, they can restore, they can you know, doctor will tell you that you have to go put in some artificial this, artificial that.
I don't want none of that. You don't want
if you want it, you can get it. Me don't want it.
And me don't want it.
Because when my leg broke, I told them I don't want to have iron in it.
Oh.
See, because you have iron again. Then all these are foreign things, and you know, even sometimes I see people when the rain set, or even when the snow gonna fall, a lot of pain because of these foreign.
You meet an accident?
Yeah man, a couple of years ago I had an accident.
Oh.
Yeah man, and the foot almost, you know.
Driving?
Funny thing, I was driving, but it happened at my gate. It happened at the gate.
Oh, at the gate?
Yeah man.
Wow.
Yeah, but you know, as I say, bro, right now I feel foot feels stronger than ever. See, the other day, I went hunting for some dog plant, and the same dog flower I was telling you about. I ended up even climbing a guinea tree because it was all the way up there, you know. Yeah, man, because it runs in as a mile. And I found myself just climbing the tree. I was like, hey,
healing. Go on, man. So did you bring the dog plant? I forgot it. I forgot it. Alright, so if I bring this, great this.
But no, you try the dog plant, you know, kid.
Yeah, I need to.
Just this weekend, one of my brother and his wife had some dog.
Yeah.
And I'm telling you, they didn't follow my instruction, bro. And I'm telling you, the story was not.
Wow.
It's not friendly. But it's good.
The dog plant, right?
They empty now. Vomiting. Remember now, you know, if you vomit a bucket, I'm saying a 5 gallon bucket of liquid, you know, and feces. That is a 5 gallon. What I just tell you?
5 gallon, you know.
And what I say earlier about people walking around with
a lot of feces.
So if you're vomiting and passing, that's so much waste.
Yeah.
That is too much to carry around it.
So you see we have unknown feces that we don't know about.
It's there, because I tell you that the colon is like 100 times this for the average person. So what I'm going to do, I like the dog plant because they go and they twist it up. You ever see them kill animals as a coyote and then the tripe?
Yeah. So that's what the plant.
That's what the dog plant does.
Twist up everything and ring it out.
Yeah, just ring it out.
Check it out.
Empty the field, empty the colon, man.
Nothing no love.
Wow. Man, the dog plant is like nature's colonoscopy. See, that's like one of the best fleas anyone you can do.
Yeah.
See, empty the colon. Man, when you empty the colon, you know, it's like you feel liberated.
Feel better.
People saying, yo, they feel so good, they don't want you.
I need to try it though. I need to try it.
Try it.
Yes. So I definitely gotta get back my extra seed, you know. Definitely. Yes. That's say even me playing football, I kind of feel much better as well too.
Must I feel better, man?
Yeah, man. I feel running more and more energy, you know, physically.
I have to just, as I say, you know, just once the start go natural, just allow it. You know, a lot of people looking for the instant boost, but nature don't work like that.
No.
When you plant a seed, you have to just wait until it germinates down.
Yes.
And you wait their stages. Then push out leaves, push out stem.
Take your time. Stages. Yes, stages, man. Stages.
That's the way you have to just patient, man. Have patience.
And the Empress over here, she say I'm glowing. I've been glowing from the other day, and I want to continue glow. I want to continue glow. Yeah.
Alright, my dear. Alright, later.
It's this.
Alright, cool. Next time I come to night market, I'll make a different
continue glow. And I need to detox.
Oh, the food pack, you don't get none. Yeah, man, you get.
I remember saying many people bring the last time in our package.
And you know the prostate. Nighttime frequent urination. And I think it's normal, but it's not normal. We have the capsules and then we have the liquid extract.
This is for the prostate, right?
This is prostate. See, enlarged prostate cancer. Combination of the liquid and the capsules.
Yeah. So this is something we must have.
It's a must have.
It's a must
from
have.
over 40.
Yes.
And as I say, even younger than that too, because I've dealt with clients who the reach 40, the prostate, they have started having prostate issue. And from having frequent urination or scanty urination, that's all signs. And I'm gonna tell you another issue, another way you can detect it. Because a lot of male, they don't know that sometimes they feel pain around them waist. See, and they think it's just regular black back pain, but it's actually the prostate. So when you feel a pain from the spine come around here, it can be your prostate too.
Okay.
So
that's a sign.
That's a sign to know. So look into that. That can be a part of the, can be a cause. So prostate one, and as I say, our capsules and our tonic, it's well formulated. Some of the best herbs we have in it. Some of the best herbs we put in the prostate capsule, and the herbs that's in the capsule is not in the tonic.
So this is the prevention, even if you have it?
Yeah, man, prevention and also to treat.
And to treat it?
Yeah, man. As I say, you take these things, you're taking preventive measures. Because what happens a lot of time when you're lacking zinc too. Most people that have prostate issue, they're lacking the mineral zinc. And again too, zinc is the next thing. Once you find you have a prostate issue, your body will pull the zinc from your eye. So you will find yourself also with a eye issue.
Okay.
Because that's the thing, your body trying to balance off, trying to take from one place to another to do what you're not doing. See, because you're basically bleeding the body, you're not feeding the body nutrition. So, more time, as I say, here people are worried about protein, especially black people. Black people now, we never see somebody with protein deficiency. Everything else I see, but not protein deficiency. So, iron, zinc, magnesium, phosphorus, see, manganese, vitamin C, A vitamins, B vitamin, B12, see, your omega-3. See, these are the things that
essential for the body. Super find me.
Yo, I want to come to you. Look at what it is today. What is it?
Papaya.
That's, that's a your skin love thing. The super say, hey, I want a picture in that thing.
Yeah, the papaya. See what you find.
Feature me.
So we have the external and the internal. So the Empress is the external and Yaya over here is the internal. So over here, so it's a balance, right? So we have the papaya and everything because I've been glowing themselves from the other
you've
day,
been glowing kilo more than me. You take out the glow kilo, I leave it back. You glow more than me now in a kilo.
So need more glow for glow then.
All the time, glow up.
More glow.
Them have to put them on
I say your kilo shine too bright.
Oh my God.
Did you get my bottle?
Yeah, man, we get your recycle bottle. Don't worry, we're coming. Your bottle recycled. Thank you for recycling your bottle, by the way. I really respect clients who take their bottles back.
No,
instead of just depositing
not for recycling, it's for reloading.
But it's still recycling, you know, once you bring it back, it's recycling. So for my clients who bring their bottle back, you know you get a discount off, and I really appreciate that. Because the environment, today's Earth Day, you know. Today's Earth, we're celebrating Earth Day today, so it's important that we take care of the earth. And then remember the brand is Earth Imani.
Okay.
So it's literally having faith in earth.
Okay.
So we're not playing, we say we want to give you the nicest bottle so you can recycle it. We're very serious about it.
Yes, yes.
So come on over, support us. We have the magnesium and sea moss gel for anti-aging, anti-inflammatory, pain. If you're an athlete and you need some support when you finish working out or you're going to do the race, then this is it. And we have also our skincare products that are made from magnesium and sea moss. This is our glow serum. So you see the reason why we glow every day, because we keep using the serum. Fortified with tamarind and papaya oil. We have our pain gel also, which is magnesium with our guava oil in it and guava leaf, which is amazing for pain relief. And so the entire line of magnesium sea moss products and magnesium products are geared towards giving people something that's really healthy. It's like skin food.
Yeah.
You eat the food, but you want something on your skin that has 92 minerals, and that's what magnesium and sea moss carry. So, hey, for those who've been supporting, thank you. And for those who want to come on over, support us. Find us on IG at Urta Imani, just the same. And Kina, thank you too for the work you've been doing. I've been watching you.
No problem.
The video with your children,
Yes.
Yeah, do some real things. So them kids, them really, you know, them touch me. I need to remember their name. There's a little one who's very, she's so eloquent. Oh God.
Tara.
So Tara is the one who lives.
The baby one. That's the baby one.
She's very dark and she has plait hair and she's very pretty. But she's very eloquent, and her mommy and daddy are there in the video with her.
Yeah, her name is Cranberry.
Cranberry is amazing. So Cranberry need a Cranberry. You need a look out for you, girl. You need a look out for Cranberry. And then the other young lady, she's dark, full figured, but very bright and pretty. Red, beautiful hair. Who is that?
That's Nana.
Huh?
Nana.
Oh, gee, Nana. Big up yourself, Nana. Big up Nana. Nana boss.
Yeah,
Nana is absolute boss.
And Toko, you know.
All the family.
Yes, wonderful.
As I said, the brand we're here and tonight, we're having a special event at the night market. It's Earth Day, and so they're focusing on products that are made from the earth. And so we came out with a seashell so people could really know that the sea moss is really a sea-based nutrient and multivitamin, and so is the magnesium. And they're from earth, so we want to just encourage those who are using natural products to continue. And for those who have not yet started their journey, just to come on board, use natural products, support Brand Jamaica wherever you are in the world. And hey, Kino come to re-up his package. So
I told them my product is running out, so I need to,
it's done.
It's done. One done. And even the magnesium gel, this one.
Use up it quicker.
Yeah.
Kino glow.
Remember,
so Kino, on the video, what you doing to yourself? But you're glowing, you're glowing highly. How are you?
This one over there you
organic
from
Hi, how are you?
Good, you're beautiful.
Thank you so much. We're organic.
So let's talk about
important to take a bit of
the blood purifier.
Yeah, it's eucalyptus and peppermint.
So tell me something about the blood purifier then.
It's a magnesium.
Yeah, man. You see the bitters, as I said before.
Magnesium. So magnesium.
Blood love bitter. We ever saying that the blood bitter better. Best. Because we have a thing inside of us again named the bitter God. See?
Yeah.
I should say it. Most people in the herd, them bitter gods sweet. See, if you don't know if you ever feel anything come up from half of you and it's vomiting and it's bitter.
Yes.
See, because that's what your body naturally is, you know.
Bitter.
See, bitter. Even the digestive enzyme, the bile, them, all those secretions are bitter, you know. See, so that's why you see, you know, when it gets too much sweet, it throw offset them, it throw off the balance. And you all everything about you. The things are not being processed properly anymore. That's why I say diabetes kick in, you know. But
too much sugar.
Too much sweet. The processed food, we have to limit it. So you see, once you're messing with so much sweet, you need the bitters. And after you do a colon cleanse, you want to do a blood purifier. Yeah. Because remember now, what's in the colon get into the blood.
Yes, I am, but not tonight.
And then once things in the blood, it travels to your entire
take the new number the phone.
So we have these little worms, parasites. So they move through the blood. Some of them get even to the brain. So sometimes you see ones acting, can't even sleep. Sometimes restless, insomnia. See some people just way out. It's actually worm. And then what happens? Most of these tests don't see, can't detect these worms. So when you go to the hospital, they're not gonna tell you. So they actually giving you a wrong diagnosis. It's worm wreaking havoc inside of you. The things them set dump it on you. Worm. No for the little youths them now. Remember now, you know what time growing up every year before we go back to school, we take a wash out.
Yeah, I remember that growing up.
You remember that?
Yes.
Check each household in Jamaica and across the world and ask them when the last time worm out. So teachers can't teach these youths because these youths can't sit still when the worm are just picking at you. So you're supposed to get worm out from your start, from your but from your eating junk.
You're supposed to get worm out.
You're supposed to get worm out. Not just one time a year anymore. We're talking about 3 times. See? So we want parents. See? Parents, we're talking to the parents. We have a duty as parents.
Yes.
We need to worm out the youths them. You worm out your children because your children are not acting on their own accord and then you're blaming them. Too much sugar, too much salt. All these fructose. These things, these artificial coloring. See, remember now, worm, people see worm as just something on the ground, but you have live worm in you. You can go to the toilet and pass live worm. This is no joke. Some of these tiny worms, they are moving in the bloodstream, they are going to the brain. And it can cause serious mental issue if over a period.
We need to get the wash out.
I'll get the wash out. For the children, get the worm out.
All the best
get
today.
the bitters. For the adults, get your bitters.
And this is the bitters.
This is the bitters, the blood purifier. Clean your blood. Enough of the sickness you have is in the blood. Your high blood pressure is in the blood. Your diabetes is in the blood. Cancer is in the blood.
On your body,
Jamaica have a sense of blood clot. It's serious. Clean that blood clot.
Yes. Yeah, that guy. So we need to get the blood purified. Get the bitters. Bitter to the mouth, but sweet to the belly.
This have your dandelion root, bitter wood chip, your saucy pearl. It has a chainy root. It has your bird root. It has another powerful thing a lot of people don't know about. Nickel. Nickel is a seed. It also purifies your water too. So and heavy metals and those stuff, get it out of your body. It's and also B12. So get your bitters.
Get the bitters.
No, don't just don't burn it.
Get the bitters. Bitters is needed.
And it gives you a lot of energy once you start cleaning your blood.
Tell her to look girly. Dress the way you want to dress. You look like you could just.
I don't know if you want more energy, but still.
Don't dress more
energy, man. Don't need to use it, but
I'm definitely going to get it.
What's your name?
I am definitely going to get my bitters.
Every morning you just take 2 shots of
never
it.
just girly. Dress the way you want to dress.
And then you can drink some water and you start to get great.
You need to go to Taekwondo.
So no, I'm going to get
and you clean this, saucy pearl are great for your skin, cleaning your skin, bro.
Yeah.
You need to do something, girl.
You can't go wrong.
You can't, no, you can't do that. When you ask us to say nothing, no, you can't do that. No, we don't do that.
So I'm gonna give you. I like to curse out my clients that don't like to hear. They tell a story that is not told to an audience but to a person. Yes. I'm gonna give you a wash that's from magnesium and sea moss.
Awareness of it, always notice it. Notice how it's shaped like the vagina. Because it's invasive, because it's strong, it's strong things, but it has a lot of nitrate. You can find out say it also gives nitrate to earth. So Instead of you want to buy them things, the nitrates for put in a plant, actually, you have to learn to
I have your butter in mind.
have it in your garden. But I find it very interesting by the looks.
Yeah,
they call it pum tea.
This is my brother.
Yeah. First I'm having my pum tea. Yeah.
Empress.
Hey.
Yeah, man.
Thank you.
Take care.
Rise up, falling fighters. No time to be a falling Saturday leader. Rise up, falling fighters. The leader can call, but don't come over. You better not cross, stick in your ears while you're chasing them things that are shining and glistening, and then you rush. Yes, and if you lose your blessings, so now you won't see, so you need to dress it. So you gotta try your best to make the uprising. Cause in the beginning, and then you're sitting and spinning, and then you're children be warned. There will be no mercy when the judge is at hand. Children be warned. The breastplates are shining and the fire's burning down. Children be warned. That is cold, that is cold. Creation is nowhere. Rise up, falling fighter. Wake from your chains, wake from your slumber. Rise up, falling fighter. Come to chant a song and love your neighbor. Wake up from your wonder. No time to be a fallen Saturday leader. Rise up, fallen fighters. The heathens and my call, but don't come over. So you miss the part.
Watch out now. You see Life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no.
Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.